This is the new docking station from TobenONE, compatible with PC and Mac OS. It's got some really cool features, which you can probably already see here, but we're going to go over some stuff anyway. Here are some of the highlights. It's got a volume adjust knob here on top. It has 4 action buttons around the side of this square. On the back, in terms of connectivity, we have USB-C ports at the bottom here, both for the actual device power, the cable that will run from your wall to the device, and for the connection between the dock and your computer. So that's the host and the PD ports here. Then we've got HDMI. There is a standard LAN port here if you need a hardwired internet connection. You've got an audio jack here, and at the top there's some more USB. There are 2 USB-A 3.0 ports and 1 USB-C 3.0 port. Now, if we rotate this just to the side a little bit, it reveals the card reader slots that are here, and that is both SD and micro SD. So lots of different options all built into this one tiny box. Speaking of boxes, here's what it looks like in the packaging. I know you're probably anxious to see it in action, but let me show you a little bit of this unboxing because, I did put the effort into filming it all. All right, you see what the box looks like? Now, just to review, this is a USB-C dock. And yes, you can use it, as I have, to use multiple monitors or, in other words, to extend your display. The problem with a lot of laptops is that they have a very minimal amount of USB ports. My MacBook, for instance, only has 2, but I have like 5 different things that I need to keep plugged in. So this is going to remedy that problem, and it's going to do that by connecting to one of those USB ports. It comes with an instruction manual. You can read that later. There is a USB-C to USB-C cable, and there is a USB-C power cable and adapter with a little flip plug on the side. It's nice. Okay, that's enough of the unboxing. Let me show you how this works. First, you obviously need to plug it in. You get a power indicator light. Cool. As I previously mentioned, you'll need to plug that power cable into the PD port here. Once that's done, you can take the USB-C connection from the port labeled host and plug it into your laptop. It's really that simple, and then you're left with all these other places that you can add devices like hard drives, microphones, webcams, whatever you want. All right, here's some action shots. I do have a second screen hooked up right now, which is working, but on my main display, you can see it adjusts the volume when I turn this knob. And some of the buttons here do interesting or useful things. Like if I hold down this one, it will take a screenshot. And if I hold down this one, it will lock my laptop. Final thoughts? I think this is a really useful device. If you're trying to use multiple displays or you just need more ports to plug things into, this will solve that problem for you. So go ahead and pick one of these up today if that's going to be an easy solution.